Hello my dear students, very good morning to everyone and welcome to the KJH solution. Today I am going to teach you how to use log books, especially first PC and second PC students. So it requires more. Okay, so try to understand. Okay, so with that, to learn how to find out the log values, we must know some basic terms. Which are those? Look at it. Look at the screen now. First column, what do you have? That is called as mean. We call it as mean. And the next 0 to 9, you can observe. Those columns we call it as difference. And then last three columns what we have, that is called as mean difference. Yes, these are the basic terms you must remember. Now let us know how to find out the log values. Yes, to understand that, let us take some examples. Look at here, look at the board now. Okay. Log of 3, 2, 4, 6. Okay, any number you can take. So I have taken that as 3, 2, 4, 6. There will be a 4 maximum digits during the numbers. Especially. So below 4 also we may get. And now, how to find out the value of this? Okay. Now, stepwise I will teach you. First step, find out how many digits are there. 4 digits. Subtract from 1. Always. If I had 3 digits, subtract from 1. Always. So now I am having 4. 4 minus 1, it is 3. Put 3 points. If I had 3 minus 1, it is 2. 2 points. That's it. Next step, second step. Go to first 2 digits. Find out this first 2 digits in main column. In the main column, go to 32. Yes. Next, go to the third digit and find out the values in difference column. Okay, so go to the fourth and come down to 32. It is 5105. Right now, 5105. There is one more digit, last digit, and this value find out in mean difference. Go to the mean difference column. So go to 6. What you will get till 32 if you come means it is 8. Add this 8 here. How much? 3, 1, and 5. So now I got an answer like 5113. So the answer is 5113. Right now. Now this is the value of log 3246. That is 3.5113. This is how we are going to find. Okay? Yes. Let us take some more examples. Okay? Now look at it. If I had log of 3 to 4.6. What we supposed to do? Simple. So now I am having a decimal point over here. So always count the digit from left side of the decimal point. So left side, how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. So now 3 minus 1, it is 2 points. Okay. Next, after writing this, just forgot this decimal point. Just forgot it. Okay. And go to the next as it is. First 2 terms in a main column. Second, third digit in a difference column. The fourth digit in mean difference. The same answer I will get right now. Yes. That is 5113. That's it. Okay. Similarly, if I have log 32.46. So from here to the left side, how many digits? 2 digits. 2 minus 1, it is 1. 1 point. Just forgot that decimal point. 3246. Same no? 3246. Yes, the same answer. I will get 5113. Similarly, if I get log 3.246. So now there is only 1 digit. 1 minus 1, 0. It is 0 point. Same, forgot the decimal point. So answer I will get a 5113. Okay. If I get log 0.3246, what will be the answer? 0 minus 1. As I said, 0 minus 1. We have to subtract right now. 0 minus 1 is how much? That is minus 1 right now. Yes, that is minus 1 point. So rest everything same. 5, 1, 1. And remember, this minus 1, even though you will write it as 1 bar like this. Okay? Yes. Okay. So now we have few examples. Still some more examples we will take. For example, log of I got 3, 2, 4. Only 3 digits I got. What I supposed to do? Same. Go to the first step. How many digits? 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 point. Okay. So first 2 digits in main column. 32. Go to 32. Next third digit in difference column. So in the difference column, if you saw next, it is about 5105. 5105. Okay, but I don't have next digit. Okay, so that's why I write down 510 as it is. That is the value. Yes. Next, if I get log 3, 2, that's how much? So now 3, 2 digits. So 2 minus 1, 1 point. Okay, so 32. I can find out in mean column. Okay. Next, if I am not having anything here, means think that is 0.0. 32.0 I can write down. Yes. Go to the 0 column. You have a 0. Okay. In that 32.0, you can see there. So that is also 5051. Okay. So that is 5051. That's all. Next, if at all if I get only log 3, how to find? Yes. So if I had means, you can write this on 3.0020, so you can add now. How many zeros? N number of zeros you can add, no problem. So 3.00. Now, first only 3 I am having, only one digit. 1 minus 1, 0. 0. So now forget the decimal point. So it becomes 30. Right now go to 30. Go to 30. How much you have? 4771. That is write down 4771. So 30 and there is 0. Go to the 0 column and write down that is 4771. That is done. Okay. I hope everyone understood how to find out the log values by using logarithm book. Okay.